Hello guys, what's up? I'm Mohammad Fad, back with another video about programming. Today's video is gonna be a short video which will tell you how to install Python in your Windows laptop. So that's it for the introduction, and let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, to do this, first you have to open your favorite browser and search Python. Then you hit enter and you wait. Now the first link that should pop up for you, the first website, should be www.python.org, and that's the official website for Python. If it doesn't pop up, that means they haven't done anything good with their SEO, but it doesn't matter. You can search this directly as well, like say www.python.org, and then you open the website. Now after your website pops up, you go ahead into downloads, and as you can see here, you have a download button. So depending on what platform you are, you may want to go ahead and do use these links, but I'm gonna use these for Windows. So let's hit that, and that will go ahead and download the .exe file. Alright, as you can see, I'm downloading the version 3.9.2, and this is the version that is currently available, and it's the latest version in the time that I'm making this video, so it might be different for you depending on when you are doing this. Alright, so it's been successfully downloaded, and now I'm gonna open it and wait for it to open. So you can go ahead and do customized installation, but I don't think that will be really good, since you can mess around with it and that might cause a couple of problems. So for beginners, I suggest you go ahead and say install now. Now you just have to wait for it to install. Alright. Now, as you can see, it says setup was successful, so that's that. It's being successfully installed, and you can see that by when I press the Windows key, you see recently added the IDLE and the module docs, and it's been installed. Now I can go ahead into the IDLE and do Python. That's it. So I suggest you go ahead and install other IDLEs, because this one is kind of sketchy. So I use most of the time Sublime Text 3. You can use Visual Studio Code, you can use Visual Studio itself, and other stuff. And also you can go ahead and open your CMD app and search Python, and it should go ahead and say what is your current version of Python. So I'm gonna quit this. And you can also search pip. For example, install, I don't know if I can pronounce install, let's say Pygame. And it should go ahead and say requirement holder satisfies, or go ahead and install the Pygame library. So you can check if your pip works like that, or you can just simply search pip, and it should open the information related to it. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed and you've installed your Python successfully in your computer, and that's it. So have a nice day.